Went to school for engineering, electromechanical engineering. Ended up moving towards manufacturing. So right now I work as a manufacturing quality engineer at Seabrook. I'm kind of embedded in the engineering group, launching new products, setting up quality programs, CMM programs, inspection plans. Seabrook makes mostly medical tools, but also implants, especially spinal implants. We've done some wrist implants. It's nice to see the whole process and understand what the product gets used for in the end. And we know that product is going into someone's back in a couple months. I see a lot of growth coming my way. I mean, just being here at IMTS and seeing the way the industry's going, I'm really psyched to be a part of it. Just seeing all the various kinds of mill turn technologies, even on the inspection side, there's a lot of there's kind of small benchtop vision systems, but there's also these big, huge comparators with lenses the size of my head. It's great seeing that kind of spread of technology. Because of my position, I deal mostly with inspection QC personnel. We have laser technicians, we have finishing technicians, a lot of really skilled machinists. We have our whole engineering group. We have sales engineers, manufacturing engineers, CNC programmers. Well, one thing that's unique to medical is validating. Anytime we have a process, we need to prove that process operates consistently and effectively over the course of the whole production. So what I do is I work with the manufacturing engineers to make sure that the process that they're building produces a good part in the end. I'm glad that we're a part of Arch. I think it's a great way to kind of pool resources. We've pushed out a lot of really challenging products. It's good to see those finished pieces, see that final assembly leaving the shop.